This video is for my ladies with short hair. Whether you have a pixie cut on purpose, growing out a shaved head, or you know, accidentally just went too short and now you want to have some fun with it. I myself am growing out a shaved head that is right, which is difficult because I feel like every phase is the awkward phase. But can we really have an awkward phase when we have cool hairstyles we can do? Exactly. Now, my hair is naturally curly, but these hairstyles you can do with curly hair, straight hair, most types of hair. All you need is really to make sure you have just, you know, a little bit of length. Ow! The top of my hair is a bit longer than the underneath, just for reference. And just so you know, everything you'll need for these hairstyles, you likely already have. Okay, ranging from basic clips to hair products. Listen, I was just trying to make it super easy for you. You're welcome. Let's just jump into this and let me show you a handful of quality go-to hairstyles for short hair. Let's go. This first hairstyle is perfect for those of you with loose curls, curly curls, or if your hair is long enough on top to do a little, oh my God, let me start over. Or if your hair on top is long enough to give it a little curl. No matter where your part is on your head, okay, or if you don't have a part at all, you know, this depends on your own head. Grab your hair however you would like to part it, because everything we are not keeping up at the top, we are gonna be like sleeking down. Grab your hair, do a little party part. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a little curl cream. This is just a heavier duty cream that will help hold it to one side without having to use hairspray. Lay it down just like this. This could either be with gel or a cream, up to, you know, how long you wanna have the hairstyle for. Oh my God, that just went everywhere. Oopsies. And we are going to sleek down and pull back the sides. Some people cut their hair to actually just be like this, which like good for them, but we're trying to grow it out. And we're gonna comb it back just like that. Slicking this side down as well. If your hair is short and you're not sleeking it down for some fun, cutesy little going out hairstyles, then what are you doing? Y'all could also use, honestly, like a hair mask to hold it down. You know, you might as well add a little hydration, right? While you're rocking your hairstyle. Alrighty, and now with a little bit of product, a classy going out to a nice dinner hairstyle. This hairstyle are for my girlies who love a slick back. Sadly, we're already saying goodbye to all of my cutie little curls. This hairstyle is for those of you who either like just got out of the shower or your hair wash day is essentially like the next day. Grab a comb and brush it back. How to prep for a slick back look is really up to your hair texture. Up to you, again, if you would rather use a heavy duty gel, like say it's harder for you to keep your hair flat, you know, while it dries, or if you have relatively straight hair, you might want to use more of like a cream or maybe even just hairspray. Anything that keeps your hair looking more like wet, you know, we like that look. So I'm just going to be using a hair mask. So with this slick back, you really have two options, okay? So your options are like, one, do a no part. So that is something I think I am more likely to do. Cutie! Gives you that like fresh out of the shower, however, like super classy look. Or you can give yourself a little part. And your part depends on, you know, your head shape, personal preference, you know, whatever. But I usually go straight up from my eyebrow, and we are going to pull that back and down. Oop. There we go. Okay, and you don't have to go crazy far back. You just gotta make sure wherever your part ends that you are brushing it back. Because I do have a widow's peak, the side part with a slick back, maybe not for me, but you know, personal preference, y'all. Here is more of a slick down versus the slick back when it comes to curls. So we are taking our cutie little slick back, but we are going to be grabbing different hairs from around the hairline and laying them on our heads. So this one, definitely more for gel, for sure. If you wanted to stay, of course. Grabbing a bit from the ear. Got our gel, and we just want to make sure it's a little twisted, just like that. You want it to pretty much dry on your face. A little from our temples. Now, if y'all have little baby hairs, this one's for you. I don't, sadly. Got our little gel. I'm going to twist it and press it right onto my forehead. Gorgeous! Honestly, it's giving high fashion. Let's see if we can do that again. And there we go, looking like a siren, y'all. Next up, we are utilizing this gel, faked out ponytails. Hey y'all, while we have all of this gel in product in our hair, it is the perfect time to do a little ponytail. Me with my 2-inch long hair, yeah. Center parted, y'all. Get that center part. You're gonna need 2 mirrors for this one. And you gotta gel as you go. And now that we have our part going, we need our little baby elastics for our little baby short, little baby hair. With our littlest little pieces of hair that we have. Pull as much as we can back. We are not focusing on the top because the top isn't gonna make it there, okay? She's adorable. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And double points if you could make them kind of like stand out on the side a little bit. Oh my God, look at that, they're adorable. Ah! And now we are brushing our hair back and making sure we have that illusion of all the hair being right in there. And if you need some bobby pins for this one, it's not the end of the world. Everyone knows you're trying, okay? And now we have 2 little ponytails. Extra points if you have some butterfly clips. We try, okay? And for the next group of hairstyles, y'all, I'm gonna need to blow dry and straighten my hair for them. So, 1 second. Grab some clips. Let's do a fake little headband. Whether it's butterfly clips or just like these normal clips, I absolutely love this look so much. Just gotta brush our hair back and clip. There we go. Above the temple. And we gotta get the sides. This is key, y'all. We gotta pull the sides back. Because if we don't pull the sides back, we'll just look crazy. Very 90s style of utilizing clips to essentially do like a headband, but I love it. 90s baby, let's go. Honestly, this look does work for curly hair as well. I personally like it better with straight hair. Easy breezy. This one is for the actual headband girlies, but styling it has to do with how long your hair is. Y'all, grab your favorite headband. I wish I had skinnier ones, to be honest. I only have these thick ones, but whatever works. We are going to be brushing the majority back. However, it's bang time, baby. So we're gonna grab a portion of the front, a good amount that can come forward, but we don't want to go too crazy. We're gonna get this out of the way real quick, put on our headband. And this part, y'all, is key. So depending on how much hair you have in the very back, you might want to end up pinning the bottom. If we put our headband on right now, it just kind of like lifts the hair up. So I'm gonna take this back off here. And we need our bobby pins. I'm just gonna kind of cross them in the back. And we're going to lay it on top. Okay, so now we have our hair tucked into the bottom. So nothing is sticking out. We're looking classy. And we are taking out the front. Gonna do a little heat on there. Ah! Oh my God. Loosen it up a little bit. I'm gonna let that become curtain bangs. And there we have it. A little headband and a little bang. Now don't get too addicted to this hairstyle though, because you might end up wanting to cut bangs, but don't do it. We're trying to let our hair grow out. If your hair is long enough to do little top pigtails, do it. We are grabbing our little elastics once again. We need our center part. We're letting the front hang out a little bit, just like that. And we are brushing up the sides. If you want to be a little bit more gentle with your hair, you could do clips instead of scrunchies. But if you really want to show off the length, grab a little hair tie. Bam. And there we have it. Cutie, cutie, cutie. Same concept, different hairstyle. Let's space bun it. All right, so you do the same thing as you just did with the little ponytails, but you're gonna grab some clips. I'm just gonna twist it around. I'm not gonna lie, I love a little space bun when it's kind of messy. Practice makes perfect. Okay, I might need a mirror for this one. Some little baby space buns. It's not the size that matters. Get your heat protectant out because you might need your straightener for this one. The Effortless Pixie. But is it effortless? I don't think so. Get everything out of your hair now. Not everyone's pixie cut will work with this. We want our hair to part wherever it likes to part. We need some heat on this. I essentially just want to be curling my hair into my face. And we are not tucking behind our ears. Curling as much as we can. I'm gonna let that sit there. Ah, I just got my finger. We're giving the illusion of like, oh my God, my hair just sits like this. But does it? No. Pull the hair from back here and doing the same thing, pulling it forward. I feel like a grandmother, like a little bit. I don't know why. It's so grandma, but it's so cute. It's a little proper and it's a little precious. And lastly, we have the 90s boyfriend hairstyle. All right, for this one, we are doing a center part and we are going to be tucking the sides. This is another like, let's pretend I did this on purpose thing. So we want to curl back. Okay, all hair we are curling back. So this will become more of like a curtain bang look. We need some bobby pins. This would be like an actual hair cut where the sides are just a bit shorter than the top. So we're gonna fake it till we make it by pinning that up, pin it or gel it, whatever you prefer. Center part and bringing it forward. Now bringing the curls forward. I want it to do that swoop, okay? So mess with the ends of your hair until you get it to kind of curtain, just like that. And here we have it. Y'all, I hope you learned some fun hairstyles to do on your Pixie today. And if you are growing out a shaved head, best of luck to you. It's tough, I get it, we're doing it together. Let me know which hairstyle is gonna be your go-to in the comments down below. We'll keep a little tally, keeping all of us stylish, all right? Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye! Just a 90s baby. Is it obvious?